This is a certified pre-owned 2012 BMW 328, a harmonious blend of luxury and style. This car has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, keyless ignition, high-intensity headlights, Dakota leather upholstery, adaptive brake lights, traction control and stability control systems, a power retractable hardtop, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, BMW individual composition, a passenger side airbag, a service level indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 32,000 miles. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.